Hello, my name is Kevin Brady. I am a solutions architect with the Dell Synergy team at VMware, and I am also the creator of Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Integrated Lab for VMworld Hands-on Labs 2020. I'd like to give you a really quick overview of the top reasons I think that you'll love taking this lab. First off, it's going to highlight all the really cool, neat features in Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Integrated, specifically the management console, which makes deploying, administering, and monitoring your Kubernetes Grid, your Tanzu Kubernetes Grid products, super simple. Secondly, we're going to walk through Kubernetes and the deep integrations that Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Integrated has with vSphere. So things like vSAN and NSX. And then lastly, we're going to show the integration with other products, both VMware products such as vRealize Log Insight, and popular open source products such as Prometheus and Grafana. I hope that you have the opportunity to take my lab, and I hope that you enjoy taking it as much as I enjoyed building it. Thank you very much.